In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a target line in an Excel chart. Start by selecting your entire data table. Make sure you include the column headers along with the values underneath them. In this example, that means selecting the month, actual sales, and target columns together. Including the headers helps Excel identify each data series correctly when it builds the chart. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts section, click the Insert column or bar chart icon. From the list of chart options, choose the 2D clustered column chart. As soon as you do that, Excel will create a chart that shows two bars side by side for each month. One bar represents your actual results and the other represents your target values. At this point, the chart is useful, but if you want the target to appear as a line across the chart instead of a second set of bars, the next part is what makes that happen. Right-click on any of the bars that belong to the target series. From the menu that appears, choose Change Series Chart Type. This opens the Change Chart Type window. In most cases, Excel will automatically place you in the Combo Chart category, which is exactly where you want to be. In the lower part of that window, you will see your data series listed in a small table. Find the series for your actual data and leave it set to Clustered Column. Then find the target series and click its Chart Type drop-down menu. Change that series from Clustered Column to Line. Before you confirm the change, check the Secondary Axis option next to the target series. Make sure that box is not checked. This is important because leaving it unchecked keeps both the columns and the target line on the same scale. If the target line were placed on a secondary axis, it could appear misleading or out of proportion compared to the actual values. Once everything looks correct, click OK. Excel will update the chart so your actual sales remain as columns, while the target now appears as a line across the chart. This makes the comparison much easier to read and gives your chart a cleaner, more professional look. That covers everything you need to know.